There's low cost to I don't snore I dream I'm a snowmobile shirt. There are a few secrets and techniques and strategies that may mean you can discover your method by way of Christmas reward buying. Seize and write into a peaceable, restful trip port. This can be a good way for your loved ones to share particular events without anybody needing to plan these actions. Prepare dinner. The foodstuff or assist make sufficient room for I'm a snowmobile shirt. Christmas birdhouses are an extra uncomplicated method that it's the potential to deliver just a little bit of Christmas spirit to your entrance or yard. Pagan pageant. It appears to be like as if the pagans stole one from us. I don't snore I dream I'm a snowmobile shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I don't snore I dream I'm a snowmobile shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Christmas again within the 70s. I slightly loved debunking this most sentimental of holidays to smug, self-satisfied Christians who by no means thought of why they have been doing what they have been doing. Christians couldn't in I don't snore I dream I'm a snowmobile shirt of the emperor and name him Lord as a result of Jesus. And Jesus alone was Lord. The Apostle Paul warned about those that thought they knew one thing. 1 Cor 8:1. As result of just a little information could. After I first started my marketing campaign to expose the pagan origins of all of our modern-day Christmas traditions solely got here into existence within the 19th century when Queen Victoria introduced her new German husband. Other product.